Ready to take your Stable Diffusion creations from impressive to uncanny with hyper-specific details? Then prepare to dive into the world of LoRA. First, you need to make sure you have the automatic 1111 Stable Diffusion Web UI installed. Once it's up and running, navigate to the Extensions tab. Click on Install from URL in the URL for Extensions Get Repository field. Paste the URL for the LoRA extension YURA. You can find this in the description below. Now click Install. Head over to the Install tab. Apply the changes by clicking the Apply and Restart UI button. Now, it's time to add your LoRA models. Download your desired LoRA models YURA. These typically come as SafeTensors files YURA and place them in the correct directory. This is usually in the Models folder. Then the LoRA folder within your Stable Diffusion installation directory. Back in the Web UI, in your prompt, you can activate a LoRA model by using the trigger word or the tag assigned to that LoRA. You can also activate it by typing less than LoRA modelum y greater than within the prompt box. Replacing modelum with the LoRA's file name and weight with a value between 1 and 1. Adjusting the strength of the LoRA's influence. And that's it. Generate your image and watch as the LoRA model subtly, but powerfully, reshapes your output. Experiment with different LoRA models and weights to achieve truly unique and customized results. Now go forth and create.